Today we are going to change the boot animation and the boot sound in MIUI 12.5 devices. So you have to go to the themes and download some themes that supports boot animation. Here I am using that OnePlus theme Cyber OS V12 that supports boot animation. You can see the in my theme section I have downloaded it, Cyber OS version 12. So you have to download it or any theme that supports boot animation. Here I am showing you the theme. Then go to customize theme. Here you can check, there are too many tabs, and click on boot animation, and here the Cyber OS V12 animation has came. So download, apply it. Then the boot audio. Beside the boot animation you will find the boot audio, and I am selecting here any boot sound you can select. Applied successful. Now reboot the device. So here you can see you have to download a theme that supports boot animation. Okay, I am rebooting my device. I rebooted it. So whenever you turn on your phone or reboot it, you can see the boot animation with the sound. If you have selected, if you have applied the sound, then